Hello, I am Stefan Blust, Global Food and Beverage Manager. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain the savings calculator on our website. This is the Baumer website. To access the calculator, enter Savings Calculator in the top search window. The first search result yielded is just the right hit, Savings Calculator CIP. Click it and you are directly navigated to the Savings Calculator. The Savings Calculator provides you with your potential production savings when using the Baumer conductivity sensor. Scroll down to the input template and enter your specific data. The first parameter is the standard sensor response time, including temperature compensation. Enter that of the sensor you are presently using. Here, for example, 60 seconds. The response time of the Baumer conductivity sensor is fixed at 15 seconds. You cannot change it. But you can change the flow rate, for example, to 2 meters per second. Nominal pipe diameter may be 80 or 100 millimeters. The flow rate is automatically calculated. The media consumption of the standard sensor in use is calculated per cycle. The savings with Baumer Combalize are also calculated per cycle. In the present example, savings amount to about 700 liters. Also, enter the number of CIP cleaning cycles per day, which is 3 in our example, and the number of phase separations per CIP cleaning in our example 4, and the number of production days. Let's say 200 days. Next, choose the currency. Let's say euro. And the volume unit, liters or gallons. Then enter the liquid price per unit. For example, 50 cents. Having entered all parameters, the calculations provided are as follows. The left column shows the daily savings, the right column the annual savings. The top value is the loss of media incurred with the presently used sensor. Next, the media loss incurred with Baumer Combalize is being calculated. The following step shows the total media savings and, in an analog way, the total cost saved when using Baumer Combalize. In the present example, you would be saving €848,000 per year. Do you have any further questions? You are welcome to send us a request or just try the savings calculator. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention and stay with us.